In this video, we take a look at the lapped seam. Stay with me and I'll show you how. The lapped seam is used for joining together two layers of thick fabric that doesn't fray. This is fabric such as felt, leather or suede. I recommend practicing this stitch with felt. To reduce bulk with thick fabrics, we have the layers lapped one on top of each other and stitched in 2 rows. So let's get started. Because this fabric doesn't fray, we have no need to finish off the edges. We simply bring one edge on top of the other, overlapping about 1 centimetre. If you want to mark it out, you can. And we place one piece on top of the other, lining up with the mark we just made. We then pin it in place. We then stitch along the line on the top as close to the edge as possible. Now with one side of our lapped seam done, we turn it over. Using our first seam line as a guide, we keep the edge of our foot along this line and stitch our second line. Now we have a neatly finished seam. Here it is from the right side and the wrong side. They both look the same with 2 rows of stitching next to the edge of the fabric. And that's how to do the lapped seam.